I love this weather. It's just perfect for a stroll.
It really is so refreshing.
Have you ever opened your closet, pulled out a pair of wide leg pants, and thought, why do these make me look frumpy instead of elegant? You're not alone. Many women over 60 love the idea of wide leg trousers. But the reality? They can feel overwhelming, bulky, or even shapeless. The truth is, wide leg pants can actually be one of the most flattering, elegant pieces in your wardrobe, if you know how to style them the right way. In this video, I'm sharing my 7 genius ways to make wide leg pants your secret weapon for looking polished, confident, and stylish after 60. And tip number 4, trust me, it's the one that instantly makes your legs look longer and your whole outfit 10 times more put together. Let's dive in. Tip 1, start with the right foundation. Here's the secret no one talks about. The way wide leg pants look on you actually begins underneath. If you've ever tried them on and felt they added bulk, it may not be the pants. It may be the foundation. Picture this. You slip into a pair of wide leg trousers, and instead of feeling swamped, you feel sculpted, smooth, and confident. That's the power of supportive undergarments. High-waisted briefs, sleek bodysuits, or light control shapewear aren't about hiding your body. They're about creating a smooth base that allows the fabric to drape the way it's supposed to. Choose breathable, seamless options that disappear under clothing and feel like a second skin. You won't even think about them until you catch your reflection and realize, wow, I actually love how I look in these pants. It's a small, invisible step that makes a huge, visible difference. Tip number 2, choose the right fabric. Not all fabrics are created equal, especially when it comes to wide leg pants after 60. The wrong material can completely sabotage your look. Flimsy cotton or clingy rayon might feel breezy, but they tend to grab in the wrong places, wrinkle badly, and add bulk where you least want it. The result? Pants that wear you, instead of the other way around. Now, here's the magic. Structure with movement. The best wide leg trousers are made from fabrics that skim the body, not squeeze it. Think lightweight crepe, ponte knit, soft jersey with body, or a linen blend that drapes elegantly. These materials create a smooth, flowing line that makes your legs look longer and your outfit look instantly more expensive. Here's a quick test. When you sit down, does the fabric bunch awkwardly or cling in unflattering spots? If yes, that's your cue to say, no thank you. The right fabric should glide effortlessly and bounce back without fuss. Remember this, the right fabric can make a $60 pair of pants look like they walked off a $600 runway. That's the real power of choosing wisely. Tip number 3, get the length perfect. Here's the truth. When it comes to wide leg pants, length isn't just important, it's on everything. Get it right, and you'll look like you stepped out of a style magazine. Get it wrong, and even the most expensive pair can look sloppy. Picture this, your wide leg pants just graze the floor, lightly brushing the top of your shoe. That's the sweet spot. It creates a long, unbroken line that makes your legs look instantly taller and your outfit more polished. Too short, and they chop your frame. Too long, and they puddle awkwardly. Here's the fix. Always hem your pants to the shoes you'll wear most often. If you're a flats person, hem for flats. If you love a kitten heel, hem for that. Consistency is key. Personally, I like my hem to hover just above the ground. It creates that graceful pooling effect without dragging. And here's a pro tip. Take your actual shoes with you to the tailor. That way, you'll get the perfect break every single time. Because trust me, one great pair of perfectly hemmed trousers will do more for your style than 5 pairs that almost fit. Tip number 4, balance, top and bottom. Wide leg pants bring volume to your lower half, and that means what you wear on top makes or breaks the look. Without balance, the flowy bottoms can overwhelm your frame, leaving you looking shapeless instead of chic. Here's the golden rule. Volume on the bottom, structure on top. When your pants are wide, your top should be tailored, fitted, or tucked in to anchor your shape. Think crisp blouses tucked neatly at the waist, sleek knit tops, or sharp blazers that define your shoulders and create a clean line. Imagine this, you slip on wide leg trousers with a loose, flowy tunic. Something feels off, right? Now swap it for a tucked-in blouse with a cropped blazer layered over it. Suddenly, the proportions click. Your waist is defined, your legs look longer, and the whole outfit feels intentional and polished. And here's a pro move. If your pants have a high waist, show it off. Tuck in your top and let your silhouette shine. That balance between softness and structure is what takes wide leg pants from just okay to effortlessly elegant. Tip number 5. Elevate with strategic layering. Layering can be your best friend with wide leg pants, if you do it right. Done well, it adds polish, shape, and versatility. Done wrong, it piles on bulk and swallows your figure. Here's the key. Let layers elongate, not compete. A structured blazer, a sleek cardigan, or even a tailored vest can instantly take wide-leg trousers from casual to sophisticated. The secret is in the length and fit. A long cardigan that hits at the hips creates a vertical line that slims and lengthens. A cropped blazer over high-waisted trousers highlights your waist and frames your shape beautifully. Picture this. You're heading to lunch in your wide-leg pants. With just a blouse, the look feels simple. Add a hip-length cardigan or a sharp blazer, and suddenly you've gone from basic to editor-approved chic. Remember, layers should never overwhelm your outfit. They should act like the finishing brushstrokes of a painting, subtle, intentional, and elevating. With the right third piece, wide-leg pants stop being tricky and start becoming your most stylish signature. Tip number 6. Choose colors and patterns that work with you. Wide-leg pants are a bold statement on their own, so the colors and patterns you choose can either elevate or overwhelm your look. The wrong shade can wash you out or feel heavy, while the right one makes you glow. Here's the key. Let color work for you, not against you. Stick with shades that complement your skin tone and feel timeless. Think rich navy, soft camel, deep charcoal, or elegant ivory. These hues create sophistication without shouting for attention. Love patterns? They can be fabulous. If they're subtle, delicate pinstripes, microflorals, or fine dots add interest without taking over. Bold, oversized prints can drown your frame, but understated ones create polish and depth. Imagine slipping into wide-leg pants in your perfect shade of navy or taupe, paired with a simple blouse. Suddenly, your whole outfit feels intentional, graceful, and elevated. That's the magic of choosing colors and prints that highlight you instead of hiding you. Tip number 7. Accessorize with intention. Wide-leg pants give you a beautiful canvas, but it's the accessories that bring the outfit to life. The mistake many women make is piling on too much, letting jewelry, scarves, and belts fight for attention. The secret? Less, but better. Choose 1 or 2 standout pieces that frame your look without overwhelming it. A silk scarf tied at the neck, a pair of elegant earrings, or a structured handbag instantly transforms wide-leg trousers from simple to sophisticated. Shoes matter too. Pointed flats, low-block heels, or sleek boots elongate your leg line and finish the outfit with polish. Picture this. You're wearing wide-leg trousers with a tucked-in blouse. Add a delicate pendant necklace and a classic watch. Instantly, your look says elegant, confident, complete. Accessories are punctuation marks in your style story. Subtle but powerful. The goal isn't to compete with your pants. It's to complement them, so every detail whispers elegance rather than shouts for attention. When styled with intention, accessories become your secret weapon for timeless chic. Outro and call to action. And there you have it. 7 genius ways to turn wide-leg pants into your most flattering, elegant piece after 60. The beauty of these tips is that you don't need a brand new wardrobe. With the right foundation, the perfect hem, balanced tops, smart layering, and a few intentional accessories, you can make wide-leg trousers look like they were designed just for you. Remember, elegance after 60 isn't about rules or restrictions. It's about rewriting style on your terms, choosing fabrics, colors, and details that celebrate the woman you are today. Wide-leg pants aren't something to fear. They're a statement of confidence, ease, and timeless chic.